Welcome to VidGrid-Class. This is the student part of it, and after they log in, you can see they come to their home screen, and this student does have a task to complete and is in these classes. Like the teacher one, this is the top recent tasks, top 5 classes. We'll go straight to the next thing is classes, because you can click any of these to get there, but go to classes and they can pick their class. Also, if the teacher gives them a code, they can type in their code, click add, and it will add their class. Again, they might need to refresh this page for it to show up, but they can then add their class. So we'll now go through the process of walking through what they need to do. So let's go to their first class. You can see they've already completed one of their assignments, and then they have an assignment here to complete. So to do this task, they just click on it, and again, it'll have directions. Sorry, there's some feedback there. It'll have directions. You should have your directions, whatever you told them to do here. Or whatever your task is to do, and then the time allotted, which will also show up there as well, but that's the time allotted for it. And then they'll click record. They can shrink this a little bit or full screen it however they need. Record themselves saying blah, 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 blah. When they are done, they will upload it. So I'll just do that. Go ahead and recording. You can see my hand up there. Yay. All right. Stop the recording. Submit the video. It'll spin. Give a checkbox. Wait 2 seconds, refresh the page, and then this is what it looks like when they're completed. So if they ever come to task that's completed, they can watch what they submitted. Right, that's it. Submitted. I don't want them to be able to delete it because they're done. Right. So make sure they do it right the first time before they click submit. So it does actually. I don't know if you noticed, there was a way for them to play it before they submit. So if they don't want to submit it, play it and don't submit it. Go back to classes. Come back to this class now. You notice that both of these are empty and they have no active assignments. And then if they want to see what they submitted, they can click on it and then see what they submitted. They also have the option to change their password just like teachers do. And the only other thing is if the student has a link. So again, they can join a class by doing this, but a teacher can also send them a link and it'll take them to join. And if they're not logged in, it'll ask them to log in, and then they'll have to go back to that link that they got because the student needs to be logged in before they can actually join the class to make sure they're a student that's going to be in your class. And also, if they don't have an account, it'll prompt them to either join or create an account or log in. Either way, when you give them a code to your class, that's what they'll see. So that's about it. All right, again, the home's fairly similar, recent, task, and classes. Now there's no task for this student, they're all done. They can go straight to the class, or they can go to classes and find them there. If they need to enter a code, they can type in here and click add. Or again, there is a way to just send a link. The key is you need to be logged in first. So if they're not logged in, then they click on the log in, and then they can click on the link again and it'll add them. Or if they need to create an account, there's a link to create an account as well. And the account to create, a student's already logged in, so it doesn't work for this account. But if I go to this one right here, here we go. So this is what it looks like when they go to join. Right, that's a URL to join. But however, this student's not logged in, so they could go log in, or again, they can create an account. And then the create account will take them to the create account, which is, I'm gonna type it in real quick, create, and there we go. Type in what they want their username to be. It can't be taken like all usernames. Put their full name in, their email address, password, confirm the email address. The password has the same limitations as when you change your password, but that's it. They click create, and then they have to go back, and then they can log in. And then once they log in, it'll take them to their account, or again, once they're logged in, they can click on the join link again, and they'll be joined. That's about it for VidGrid class student. Let me know if you need anything.